Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CAHAYA wooden guitar stand. It is a musical detachable instrument with Y-shaped pieces for acoustic, classic, electronic and all kind of other guitars. The design is awesome. An elegant decoration with simply wireframe design outlook also decorates your rooms. Multiple applications suitable for all sizes of instruments like acoustic, classics, electric guitar, etc. And the installation is so simple. You only have to use a simple design with two Y-shaped pieces combined into X frame, which is easy to assemble. I will show you later. It has a soft rubber on top. Soft rubber covering can hold the guitar securely that all edges, corners and curves are smooth to touch, sturdy and dribbly. Detachable and foldable wooden stand with thick anti-slip padding on the cradle provides durable and protection for your guitar. It comes with a soft rubber covering, thick and anti-skid pads on the contact surface, better protecting the valuable guitar from scratching and damaging. It is plywood, which is cut previously and smoothly. All edges, corners and curves are smooth to the touch. The body of the instrument rests on rubberized support arms, ensuring that the instrument is protected. Foldable wooden stand. This is awesome. Elaborate foldable wooden stand with detachable design, easily to assemble and disassemble with two Y-shaped pieces. Easy as you can see. X-frame design provides super stability to safely display your instruments. And this is the mobile version. I will use this stand on vacation, really, or on travel. If I am traveling with my instruments, it is so easy. You can disassemble it fast, get it into your bag, and reassemble it on the spot where are you going to. And this is multiple applications made of hard synthetic plate wood, which has unique grain, suitable for all sizes of instruments like acoustic, classic, electric guitar and bass, and so many more. Beautiful appearance, great for displaying your favorite instruments at a music store, exhibition or home. Perfect gift for your family or friends who has an instrument. And I will try this at my own. Note, first please keep it dry and not put it in the moisture place or it will grow old. Do not put the badly heavy instrument in it. Please put it right into the slot of the stand. And you can see it is easy to get in the guitar and get the guitar back out of the stand. And as you can see, there's enough room for big, beautiful acoustic guitars. But it will make his job with this electronic guitar too, of course. I will use this on travel if I'm on the way to get to some gigs or something others. I like it. This is easy. It is a cheap product. It is a wooden product. It is a natural made product. And that it is easy to install. The measuring is in all three dimensions, 11.81 inches to 12.99 inches, and of course 9.64 inches. This is a normal shape for a guitar stand. This is a nice and easy to use wooden guitar stand. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again next time. Soon.